Hello my creative friends, welcome to Fatema's Art Show. My name is Fatema Al-Alawi and today I'm going to show you how you can transfer any image onto fabric. I am just personalizing an image of my cat. You can add text to your images. You can also use a drawing or add drawings to your images. Make sure if you're using text to flip your image. I will be printing my image onto transfer paper. I will put a link in the description box of where you can buy some transfer paper if you would like to do this project. Now you just need to cut around the image. You might just want to cut off the excess and just leave it as a rectangle or whatever shape the image is printed as, or you might want to cut around the image and you can do that as well. So I'm just going to cut around my one, cut around it a little bit here. And then you just want to flip your image so that it's facing down, and the pattern bit, obviously depending on what transfer paper you use, will have different patterns, but for this one I'm just going to place it like so, and then I am just going to use a hot iron, and you don't need to use steam for this, so switch off the steam if you have the steam setting on. And you just want the iron to be nice and hot. Get an adult to do this bit if you are a child, and you just want to place it right on top. So make sure that your image is exactly where you want it before you transfer it. So I want it like this, and then I'm just going to transfer. So once you've ironed your transfer paper, it may change color because some transfer papers, for example the circle that was green has now turned orange, and you want to put your iron down. Now you can decide to peel it while it's hot and it will turn out shiny, or if you want a matte effect you can just leave it to cool down and then remove it. So I want a shiny finish, so I'm just going to lift it now. Oh look, it's finished! Wonderful, I love it. It's not for me, but I still love it. Now thinking of it, maybe I shouldn't have cut off the top because it looks, maybe I should have just left it as a full-on picture. I don't know, tell me what you think in the comment section. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Take good care of yourself as always. Bye bye.